Groote Museum, the big museum, is reopening its doors after 75 years of closure. Back in the day, it would have been for the Zoological Society as a place for the taxonomical collections of specimens from around the world to be observed and analyzed from the outside. Today's world, to try to understand the world, the big questions, is to be part of it. Everything is connected, and what we try to do, it's about putting you, dear visitor, at the center. This exhibit is about spine. It makes us rediscover the movement versatility of our bodies. Using machine learning techniques, we're tracking the body, and then with this tracking, transforming the user, the visitor, into an inner animal. Humans, birds, fish, all animals live in some way in communities. How do we communicate is through emotions to try to understand each other. This exhibit that we designed here uses the facial action coding system as the sort of method to decipher this. Using machine learning and face tracking, we can extract and read emotions, but we can also project them into a virtual character that then elicits emotions in us unconsciously. The resource island that we designed for this talks about not only the carbon footprint resource, but also other resources that our living as humans we extract or need from the earth. You can type in your home address and your neighborhood transforms into a resource island, a utopian island that represents what you need from the earth. We've tried to use media not as an interface to access stuff, but as an interface to be part of it. So, please welcome, come join the museum when you are in Amsterdam.